Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. This is my fat wood bearing block and it requires maintenance every now and again when these divots get so deep. I'd like to have them at about 1/8 inch deep. Right now they're about 3/8. So let's go ahead and shave them. Shave it down and scrape it down. Alright, it is all ready to go again. We'll get some scrapings off it to start that fire. I don't really need that much. We'll go ahead and dispose of it. And for this bearing block, this is meant for bulk scrapings and feathers and shavings, and that's what I'll use it for this morning. Always clean that spine off before you use your ferro rod. And this is a Bayite keyring ferro rod. You've seen it 1,000 times on my channel. A 3-pack on Amazon is $12. I'm missing a piece. Where it is. One last look at the bearing block. Nobody's ever told me that they've made one of these. You're really missing out if you don't make one. We'll catch you on the next one.